Hi everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tanu. So in this video, I'm just going to give you some suggestion that you can follow to improve your English. I'm just making this video to share all these things whatever I have followed to learn English. So once you will see this video, you will definitely get to know that how you can improve your English because some days before I was kind of same person as you, so you can better relate and you can understand how you can improve your English and what are the things you can do. So if you have any questions, so you can write in the comment section. Okay, so let's start. What you have to do, I will share you some of the things that you can follow to improve your English. First thing what you have to do, first set up your mind that why are you learning English. This is the first thing that you have to do. Once you will decide that yes, this is the reason I am learning English, so you will try to focus on learning English and you will try to improve your English. So I would share my journey that how I improved. And one more thing, that you have to remove all the thoughts that are restricting you. So once you will remove this thought, then definitely you will try to improve. Okay, so I'm starting with my journey. So I have done my schooling in Hindi medium school, and after that I get into the engineering. That time I had all the subject in English, but it was a subject, and I read all the subjects as I read English as a subject. I haven't tried to speak in my college days as well because there was no this kind of environment that you have to speak English only. So I haven't tried to speak. But yeah, once I appeared in the interview, then I faced a lot of difficulties because of my communication skills. Then I decided, no, anyhow, I have to learn this language and I have to improve my communication. Then only I can get a good job and good salary. So you have to set your mind that yes, this is your motto, that why are you learning this language. So I had this motto that yes, I have to work in a IT sector, so that's why I have to improve English. And once you will decide your goal, that why are you learning English, it can be your any reason, like yeah, it's a global language, or it's your passion, or whatever things you can set your goal. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to be consistent. That two things you have to do only, then definitely you can improve. I would tell you this thing. Once I decided yes, I have to improve my English, then I was just focused on learning this language. And how you can be consistent, you have to do practice regularly. It can be for 15 to 20 minutes, or it depends on your time as well, like how much time you want to give. So if you will give more time, then definitely you can learn very easily or fast. But yeah, if you have some sort of time, then you can do some of the uh, things that you can do on the regular basis. But you have to do one thing, you have to speak regularly with yourself, or if you have any partner, so just try to speak from your mouth. You don't need to think in your head. You have to do consistent practice. Once you will try to speak, it can be in front of you, it can be with yourself, or it can be with your friends or family members. So I was kind of same person. We I don't had the environment like yes, I have English environment, that's why I learned this language. No, I haven't joined any institute for learning this language, and even I have no this kind of environment in my home. Like yes, everyone is speaking English, then that's why I'm learning this language. No, so you have to set up your own environment. You have to set up your own environment. So some of the things you can do, for example, now you all have resources, I can say, so you can definitely learn very easily. So we have so many WhatsApp groups, and we have so many people like you who are learning, so you can connect with one or two person, and you have to practice it regularly. Okay, or if you are not finding anyone with whom you can try to speak, then try to speak with yourself. I have also tried like the same way. But if you are a beginner, then you have to learn some of the basic grammar, then only you can try to speak. So first you can learn some tenses and some modal verbs, then you can start speaking, and gradually you will learn all the things. I would tell you this thing. So I was also not having so many rules, so many grammar things I was already know. No. I had some of the basic knowledge of grammar, I can say. So I just started speaking, and gradually by while speaking or while listening anyone, while listening any other people, you will get to know so many words and how they are using some different interjection, prepositions. So you can get the idea how you can learn and how you can speak. And then if you have time, so you can definitely learn these things as well. I would recall all the things again. First, you have to set your goal. Then you have to be consistent regarding your practice. These two things you have to do. First, set your goal that why are you learning English, and second, you have to be consistent. These two factor, if you have these two factor, then definitely you can learn. Nobody can stop you. You can also see my first video, and now I am speaking in front of you, so you can compare. Like I was like kind of person who was very beginner, and I was not able to speak properly, but now I am able to speak by my heart, and I'm nothing translating in my head. I'm just trying to speak whatever comes in my mind. So this video is also I'm just speaking by my heart. I'm not translating any Hindi to English sentences and all these things because of practice only. So this is the first key. If you are practicing regularly from today onwards, just set your goal that yes, why are you learning English, and second, you have to be consistent regarding your practice. For example, you don't have anyone with whom you can practice, so just try to speak in front of camera like I am doing. So just pick up any topic if you want. Otherwise you can start with like your daily routine, whatever things you have done, whatever things you have done since morning till night. Okay, so you can just try to narrate the stories, just uh, you can just try to speak your daily routines. Otherwise you can take any of the past experience from your life, like yes, I had some funny moments or I had some memorable moments, so you can try to narrate the story. So definitely you can uh, practice regularly in this way. And if you have, apart from this, if you have any kind of queries or questions, so you can write in the comment section. I will definitely reply you. And yeah, that's what I was about to say in this video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.